Hi, I'm Skylar. The most common cause of a washed out iPhone display is water damage. So if you want to check for that, do this. Look inside your headphone jack right here and inside the connector here. There are a couple little white patches, and if they're white, that's a good sign. If they're pink or red, that's a bad sign. It means that your phone contacted liquid, and liquid damages iPhones. There's no way around it. It just does. And it could have gotten wet in a situation you didn't expect to cause that. So for example, running with it in your pocket. That could actually do it. So if that happened and your screen is washed out, there is not a whole lot you can do, but you could take it to an Apple store and see what your replacement options are. However, if you don't see that those things are pink, try this. First, hard reset your phone. Press your on-off button and your home button simultaneously and hold them for 10 seconds. The screen will go completely black. Continue to hold them until the Apple logo appears. That may actually solve the problem, weirdly enough. It resets all sorts of systems, including how power is delivered to the display. Next, make sure you don't have a software update. Tap Settings, General, Software Update, and if you do have one available, install it, because that could fix the problem. Finally, if those things didn't work, you may consider completely restoring the phone by plugging it into your computer and allowing it to update from scratch. If that doesn't work, go so far as to DFU restore, if that's something you're comfortable with. And if you want to try that, you could watch one of my videos about it, or just go to the Apple Store, and that may be one thing that they propose in order to fix it. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.